Hey Instabraiders!
SNS here.
For all those who have asked for a tutorial on the double waterfall braid, it's your lucky day.
Keep watching to find out just how. So to start off this braid, you're going to take a small section from the front and split it into 3 equal sections. Then you're going to take the piece that's on the right and bring it over the middle piece. And bring the piece that's on the left over the now middle piece. And you're going to keep going one more time. Now, just like in a French braid, you're going to take a small piece and add it to the piece on top. Now, to create the waterfall effect, you're going to let this piece hang loose, and you're going to take a new piece from underneath and bring it over. Here we see the first strand of hair that's going to hang. Now to continue, you're going to take a piece from the top, add it to the right piece, bring it over, and instead of bringing this over here, you're going to let it hang loose and take a new part from the bottom. You're going to continue doing this throughout the whole back of the head. So now that the braid is completed across the back of the head, you're going to come to the area which is near the ear, and you're just going to braid down because you have nowhere left to continue. So at this point we have just a regular waterfall braid, and you could choose to leave it like this, but if you want to step up your braid game, we're going to make a double waterfall, and the way you're going to do that is by taking the first layer that is hanging down from before and use that as one of the 3 strands that you're going to use for the second braid. And now the piece that you're going to add is going to be the layer from the bottom. You're going to continue dropping this piece and taking a new one from underneath. And here's the double waterfall braid.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram for more.
And be sure to comment below what braid you want to see next. XOXO SNS.